Hey everybody, welcome back to the ranch. I was out taking care of lawn today, and I noticed that despite my pre-emergent treatment that I did, I still have grassy weeds coming up in my dwarf fescue bluegrass lawn. And although you may not be able to tell on camera, certainly by the naked eye you could tell. This is what they call annual bluegrass, or to you horticulturists out there, Poa annua. And it's a grassy weed, and if you let it get out of control, because it goes to seed, as you can see, really fast, it'll take over a lawn in one springtime. It's generally controlled. There's a lot of pre-emergent control out there, both spray and granules. I believe that Scott's Turf Builder plus Halts controls it. I used a product called Dimension on this, and it worked out pretty darn good, but still ended up with one spot. But word to the wise, you'll generally see it in the springtime. It does not like the summer heat, although maybe you guys can comment below and tell me about back east, because I know you guys get rain and water throughout the whole spring, summer, and early fall back there. Maybe you see a lot of it, but here in Northern California, we see it from anywhere from February to about May, and then it starts to heat up in the Central Valley and disappears. But before it does, it leaves behind future generations. And this little patch right here, this little 12-inch by 12-inch patch, would be probably 4 feet wide if I left it this year and then beyond. So I'm spending a few minutes. It's a very shallow rooted grass. It'll generally root into the thatch layer of your lawn. There's the example of the roots system right there. You can literally pull it out. The wetter the ground, the better. So I often suggest about wetting it, or doing it after, like we had a good rain last night. Then you come out and you can get a lot of the root, and that's a key. If you break it off, it's just like any other mowed lawn. It's just going to come right back. So as you can see, I've been pulling here for the last 15 minutes or so, getting as much root as I possibly can. And in worst case scenarios, you take out the trusty sod knife, you cut out the area, literally cut out the area, go to your local sod supplier, get the same type of grass again, and replug it, as long as it didn't go to seed. If you let it go to seed, then I would definitely cut it out and take the whole thing and throw it in the dumpster, or take it to the dump, or whatever you do. Get it away from the site, because just touching some of these weed seeds will distribute it. So there's a little pro tip hint about weed grasses in your grass lawn, if that makes any sense. Thanks for stopping by. I'll talk to you soon.